I'm going to show you in real time with a real baby how to change a cloth diaper quickly, efficiently, and make sure we don't have any leaks. Hey sis, I'm Sam. I'm a doula and mama of 4, and I'm here to give you some support and real talk on everything pregnancy, birth, postpartum, and beyond. Changing a cloth diaper can be a little intimidating, a little tricky, and I have some tips for you, the new mama who is new to cloth diapering. This is my life, guys. I don't stuff my diapers before I need them. I just put them in this little bin that I have and make them as I go. I am using the ALVA Baby one size pocket diapers because they fit multiple children. They fit my newborn and they fit my toddler who is still sometimes having accidents at night. I love them because they fit all different sizes. I think that Mr. Leo has a surprise for me in this diaper, so I brought out my spray. I use the Baby Bits solution, and I'll have the ALVA Baby one size diapers and the Baby Bits solution linked in the description below. Now it's time for me to see what I'm dealing with here.
12 seconds later.
The first part of the diaper that you're gonna want to close is the bottom thigh or leg adjustment. My baby is still on the tightest leg snap, so I'm going to secure one side and then flatten out that extra little flap on the side. I'm gonna do the same thing, make sure that it's nice and snug around his thighs so that we can prevent leaks as much as possible. A lot of little babies, they have those big old bellies, but those skinny little legs. So it's important to get the thigh adjustment snap on the correct width. Now it's time to do the waist adjustment, and there's 2 snaps for this. I wanna make sure that it's snug, but not too tight on his belly. And again, I'm just flattening out that extra little flap so he doesn't have any irritation in that area. We want that elastic to be nice and snug. You'll also notice that on his thigh snaps, they're not exactly the same. Babies are just like us, they're not perfectly symmetrical, and that's okay. You just want each leg to be secure and each waist adjustment to be what's gonna be comfortable for the baby. It's okay if you have a little bit of a gap up top. A finger width gap is perfectly acceptable. You shouldn't have a leak coming from the top if you've done everything else correctly. There you have it, sis. That is how I change a cloth diaper and prevent leaks as much as I possibly can. If this video was helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. If you have any questions about the products that I use, comment down below. If you're feeling generous, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Are you serious right now? Did you really just poop in that brand new diaper? It's a good thing you're cute.